We're like an addiction to each other with equal parts pleasure and pain.
Vous ne le savez peut-être pas, mais l'un des films les plus attendus de l'année n'est ni un blockbuster de studio, ni une grosse comédie française. L'un des films les plus attendus de l'année, c'est After, chapitre 2. La suite des aventures amoureuses de Tessa et Hardin, un véritable petit phénomène dont vous n'avez peut-être jamais entendu parler. Pour en savoir plus, notre journaliste Romain Reynaldi est parti à Atlanta fin août 2019. Ce jour-là, dans le hall d'un hôtel de la ville, on tournait une des scènes les plus importantes d'After We Collided, devenu en français After chapitre 2. After, l'une des sagas littéraires romantiques pour ados les plus populaires au monde. Une histoire née dans l'esprit d'Anna Todd et écrite sur son iPhone. En effet, After est à l'origine une fanfiction dédiée au chanteur Harry Styles, publiée sur un site spécialisé et lue par plus d'1 milliard de fans. Oui, j'ai bien dit 1 milliard. Très vite, c'est devenu une série de livres à très gros succès et l'adaptation du premier tome du livre au cinéma a aussi rencontré un large public. Pourquoi un tel succès pour cette romance multimédia? Son auteur, Anna Todd, a sa petite idée là-dessus.
I believe that the reason that I was so successful is because I did something that most authors haven't done. I'm not afraid to take risks in writing, and I'm not afraid of, backlash if Hardin's too mean or Tess is too emotional or the themes that are dark. And there's a lot of addiction themes, whether it's them being addicted to each other or Hardin being addicted to alcohol, or Tessa, being very self-deprecating and very trying to be this image of what she's supposed to be, and that is relatable to people. And the characters are so flawed. So for me, when I'm reading romance and every woman is perfect and every man loves her and they get in one fight and then they get married, and it's like, that's not realistic. I've been married since I was 18 and that is not how it works. So I just think it was refreshing for people to read things, especially younger girls, to read things and think, oh wow, I don't have to be perfect, and men are not, like, getting a man's attention is not the only thing I need.
Message positif donc et triomphe immédiat en livre et en film. Le premier After a bien marché en salle et cartonné sur les smartphones des fans du monde entier. Un public convaincu par l'adaptation grâce au casting du couple vedette. Joséphine Langford, la sœur de Catherine Langford, l'héroïne de la série 13 Reasons Why, joue la gentille Tessa, amoureuse du bad boy Hardin, interprétée par Hero Fiennes Stephen, neveu de Ralph Fiennes, et Voldemort, enfant dans 2 Harry Potter. 2 acteurs parfaitement conscients de la grosse attente des fans.
I felt a responsibility to get it right, to get the character right, for her to be portrayed accurately and not as a two-dimensional good girl caricature. But you can't really let pressure or expectation get to you, because I think as an actor it's important to make your own choices and strong choices, and not choices just because you think it's going to appease someone or appease a group of people. So it was a responsibility, but I think you just can't let that get to you, knowing there's a lot of people anticipating what you're going to do.
Are we starting with the door closed or no?
I think safe choices aren't often the best choices. You have to take risks. This didn't feel like one though. It was something where I saw everything about the character, the complexity of it, the time in my life that I was presented the opportunity with friends going abroad to go to college, and people kind of meeting the first people they fall in love with, and friendship groups and all that stuff was something that I was really in when we started and still am. So I feel like it was the perfect time in my life to do a film about that time in my life, I mean, you can't do these kind of films once you reach a certain age, and you're going to be less accurate towards how these kind of things are in real life. So timing was perfect, character was perfect, and I'm really grateful and stand behind and always have as this choice for my first lead role.
Le deuxième épisode de la saga After, en plein tournage ce jour-là à Atlanta, est encore plus proche du livre que le précédent, selon Anna Todd, qui nous rappelle où nous en sommes.
There is no your Tessa anymore.
Tessa's trying to move on with her life, and Hardin is not and not even capable of doing that. So we find in this film, we started at a bad place for both of them. Tessa's getting an internship, so she's technically moving along in life, but Hardin is her soulmate, so it's not that simple.
Le film est réalisé par Roger Campbell, l'auteur de Sex Intention, ce qui explique sans doute le côté humour tendance sexy de la scène qu'il tournait ce jour-là.
Seriously?
I'm telling you, I know what I'm doing. We just have to soak it before it stains. Can I have your pants?
Really?
Yeah, it's gonna stain.
Just don't laugh in my underwear.
Tessa? Tessa, open the door!
That sounds like Hardin Scott.
Are you trying to get me kicked out of this place?
Yeah, come on in. Why don't you?
Hey, Hardin, good to see you. How you been?
Fucking Trevor!
I'm gonna go.
No, I just want to talk to him. Tessa,
Stop!
look, Hardin, I think fuck off.
Hardin et Tessa se réconcilieront-ils? Réponse à la sortie d'After chapitre 2 qui arrive très bientôt en France.